Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, before we get started, make sure you do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So, we will be looking at EURJPY for this week. Now, let's start with the trend. You can see that EURJPY is literally on a range market move. Sorry, we can see price will come to this resistance level, then we will see a drop to this support level. This is another of our support level, right? Just price tested here. So the probability or possibility of price coming to test this level is still high, by the way. So currently at this level, right, price is dropping, so I will be watching out for a drop to tap this support level before I will consider taking a buy. That is what I would want to do, and probably I would advise you to actually do the same. You should just be patient. Let's see this euro JPY drop, tap the support level. Then you can now start aiming for a buy on euro JPY. So let me put this trend line back. So this is kind of like a key level where you should watch out for on euro JPY. Now let's take a look at this forward time frame. You can see a lower lows, lower highs is playing out. You can see a good amount of a correction. You see this massive drop, a correction, and guess what is playing out next? Another drop. And I believe this drop will literally take out these lows. So once it can take out these lows, then this would now be a good opportunity for us to take a buy on euro, JPY. That is what I'll be watching out for. So this euro JPY still speculating a bearish move for this week. Then a bullish move will play out. So it just depends on the volatility that will play out this week. If there's going to be a good amount of movement that will drop this euro JPY this week, then I will expect this same week euro JPY will start going bullish. But if in case there's not much movement, we might see this price continue to drop slowly till Friday, and we might not get a chance to take a buy. But once there's kind of like a good amount of movement to top this support, then I think that would be a very clear opportunity for us to take a buy on euro JPY for this week right now. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade, instead of blowing your account, I'm going to put out a link to my Patreon channel. These are some of these trades we actually took last week. You can see March 13 to 17, right? You can go there, watch it. I'm going to put a link to this trade, and you can see a couple of trade we've actually taken. You can see from March 6 to 10, March 27, right? February 27. You can see some of those trades you take. Once you get to the channel, check the playlist. You will be able to watch some of those trades we've taken in the past, so you can go there, watch, confirm. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade, winning trade, right, sign up and you get access to those trades we will be taking this week.